We have all heard of wheat. Wheatgrass is simply immature wheat. It is lovely fresh green shoots that are picked a very long time before it matures into wheat. These shoots are then either made into a juice, or the most popular option is a powder. That powder can then be added to smoothies or water. It is also delicious blended with coconut or almond milk. In this video, we will discuss wheatgrass health benefits. Wheatgrass is absolutely packed full to the brim with vitamins and minerals. These make the ideal natural multivitamin instead of taking chemical pills. Just make sure it is organically grown and that there are no fillers or other nasties added. Gluten-free. Wheatgrass does not contain any gluten. Many people can have a reaction to gluten, which is in wheat that has been made into bread. But it is the grain of wheat that contains gluten, not the grassy shoots. Wheatgrass is completely safe for these people to eat. Increases energy. Wheatgrass is jam-packed with loads of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients help give you more energy because they help your body to work better. As strange as it may seem, every single cell in our body works because of an electrical charge. If you think of each cell as a tiny little battery, just like you need a battery in your car for it to run. Without that fuel, the car won't work properly. It is the same for the body. Wheatgrass also gives you more oomph because it cleans your body. There is sludge in the body that needs to be got rid of. The body can get rid of this itself, but as the saying goes, every little bit helps. So it uses ingredients in wheatgrass to boost its cleaning power. This means everything runs much better. Improves metabolism. The fact that everything is running well means that it speeds up a little. Your metabolism is the name for all the processes that are going on in your body, keeping it ticking over. It is what keeps you alive. Once again, if those processes are running better, you will feel better. To get the most benefit from wheatgrass, it should be organic. Growing it yourself is a surefire way to make sure it is organic. It also means that it is really fresh when you eat it. And that wraps up today's video. Please like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments below. See you next time.